Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the baby bed guardrail for toddlers, a versatile and essential safety accessory for your child's bed. This guardrail is designed with a one-click button for effortless folding and offers 14 adjustable height positions to accommodate mattresses of various thicknesses, making it perfect for queen, king, twin, and even bunk beds. Internationally certified for safety and reliability, this sturdy guardrail prevents your little one from falling off the bed, while the breathable mesh bumper allows you to keep an eye on your child at all times. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, and the 78.7-inch span ensures it fits a wide range of bed sizes. The lightweight steel frame provides robust protection, and the removable, machine-washable cover is perfect for teething babies who love to nibble, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment. With its easy-to-use design and enhanced safety features, this bed guardrail is a thoughtful gift for any toddler, offering peace of mind to parents. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated customer service team is ready to help within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.